Wake me from this dream I've been in. I need to get in closer to